Here is how we used to look back in 2016 compared to now. I'll go with the 2016 over 2025 any day. He actually looks like he could play James Bond in 2016. I don't know what happened between then and now. Yeah. Okay. Sam Smith, I don't know what the hell happened to you, dude. I liked how you used to look a little bit better. We have here Obama and Mark Hamill joke about the Death Star, like Presidential Center, and it is completely cringe, as you might imagine. On May 4th, the Obama Foundation charity fun 68-second video of former President Obama bantering with Star Wars star Mark Hamill. Remember the guy threw his lightsaber to the side, completely destroyed Star Wars not too long ago? Check this out. Let's just play this.
Happy Star Wars Day from the Obama Presidential Center.
Wow.
I have a good feeling about this. Well, Dan, I'm glad you are here. I want to tell you about someone.
Okay.
A young person born into ordinary circumstances, but restless, unsatisfied. A kid with big dreams. A rebel. I like where this is going. They join a scrappy group of underdogs and set out to change things. By blowing up the giant space laser? Mark, this is not about you. As wonderful as you are, this is about them.
Okay. My goodness, dude. Look at that thing. Like, what is going on with art and fashion? Where did it go? What is this thing, dude? What is this? It looks like a doorstop or something. I don't know what this is. Apparently, this is a monument to his legacy, and it's all about him. We have him updating this, whatever you want to call it, building, and some new upgrades that cost many millions of dollars. Apparently, they're still working on the thing, trying to keep it there. We're falling apart because apparently the first time they built it, it wasn't exactly built the best. Had some issues, but oh my goodness, the one on YouTube's even worse. Okay, check this one out. Oh my goodness, let's back this up. In a galaxy far away.
Mark, I told you to stop contacting me like this.
Oh, bro.
I just wanted to ask, when can I come to the Presidential Center?
Oh my goodness, dude, that's so cringe. Oh, I'm gonna use the force to block that from my memory. Okay, I can't stand that. It's so irritating. We're gonna get into a ton of stuff as I mentioned. Let's get into the other story of this lawsuit. Check this out. So obviously we have this lady here. Everyone's already heard the initial story. Some guy put in a lawsuit saying, former worker that worked with her, claiming that she would turn him into a sex slave and all this kind of stuff, right? And he had this really seedy, ridiculous sounding story. You're just like, what the hell's going on here? This is insane, right? And then we heard not too long after that that they found out who it was that filed the court case, and it happened to be this guy right here. And as soon as people saw his face, they're like, oh, hell no, there's no way she did this to him. He clearly is not exactly what you would call a Chad. Definitely not the most handsome guy in the world. And so from there, we thought this story was over. We thought that was the end of it. Glamorous JP Morgan executive accused attorney married male broker into her office sex slave. Claims of Viagra spiking and a litany of obscene forced acts, racism, and made him cry. I mean, it sounds completely insane. It sounds impossible considering how he looks. There's no way this is even true. But guess what? We got a new lawsuit, and that's not all. We got two major stories in this entire saga. Before I get into it, though, I got to mention food supply, 25-year shelf life. You're definitely want to get that. Just in case of whatever insanity is next in the world, you got mostly peaceful protests. You got World War III. They talk about AI and robots, whatever it might be. Want to be able to have some food just in case. 25-year shelf life. As low as $20 costs as high as $3,000 if you want to buy a year's worth. Link is in the description. This book here, Pink Lorna. This guy, obviously, he's just a famous celebrity. He's just making a fake AI photo. There's lots of AI videos of her now. It's pretty insane, actually. But then, lo and behold, it's not over. Okay, it isn't over. Obviously, this complaint was removed, the first one. They said there was a bunch of errors in it. They got obviously embarrassed when everyone found out who the guy was, and no one believed it at all, right? But guess what? They filed it again. They filed another one. Okay, where is that at? I got it around here somewhere. I got too many windows open. No, this is a different one. I'll show you that one in a sec. Goodness gracious, I got a million things here. Here it is. Nope, that's not it either. Here it is. Now I got like 50 of these open. All right. Stop the ad. All right, here we go. Jack X, JP Morgan Baker. Choyu Rana, is that how you say his name? Files wild new claims against exec, including lurid threesome invitation days after going viral for fabricated sex slave allegations. Okay, so now he's reporting.
So it looks like this is kind of like whitewater after towards the area out towards by mom and pop hotels. We are 28 miles from Loveland.
Like I'm flirting with the heat. Turn the heat up on the windshield. Windshield clear, and the wipers melted away, no ice on them, and they'll get hot.
That's good. This air feels so good.
Evergreen.
Yeah, we're in a little valley here. A rare May snowstorm. So we're just crossing in Roosevelt National Park. Roosevelt National Park.
Okay, should we just break this up? All right, we're gonna break this up. They're fighting too much. We're gonna start splitting these feeders up. Bob's being a little bit rough with everybody.